Emma, a spirited young girl, found herself drawn to the mysterious depths of the nearby forest. With her imagination as her guide, she embarked on a grand adventure that would forever change her life. As Emma stepped into the lush greenery, the air was alive with the sweet scent of wildflowers and the gentle melody of birdsong. She followed a winding path, her heart brimming with curiosity and excitement. Deep within the forest, Emma stumbled upon a hidden glade, bathed in golden sunlight filtering through the canopy above. To her amazement, the glade was inhabited by a group of whimsical woodland creatures. There were wise old owls, mischievous squirrels, and graceful deer. They welcomed Emma with open arms, inviting her to join in their playful games and share in their secrets. She danced with the fairies as they sprinkled glittering dust, turning ordinary flowers into vibrant blossoms. She listened intently as the owls shared ancient wisdom, their hoots carrying echoes of forgotten tales. One day, as Emma explored a babbling brook, she discovered a hidden door at the base of an ancient tree. Curiosity piqued, she opened the door and found herself in a magical underground world. Glistening crystals adorned the walls, illuminating the cavern with a soft, ethereal glow. In this underground realm, Emma encountered a group of kind-hearted gnomes. They had been the guardians of the forest for generations, unseen by human eyes. Delighted by Emma's arrival, they shared stories of their secret duties, like ensuring the forest's health and protecting its inhabitants. With the gnomes as her guides, Emma journeyed through hidden passages and witnessed the forest's wonders unfold before her eyes. She witnessed the birth of delicate flowers in spring, the vibrant foliage of autumn, and the quiet slumber of winter. Each season held its own magic, and Emma reveled in their beauty. As the years passed, Emma grew older, but her love for the forest never waned. She became a champion for nature, spreading awareness of its importance and teaching others to cherish its gifts. The woodland creatures and gnomes became her lifelong friends, and together, they worked to protect and preserve their beloved home. In her heart, Emma knew that the forest was not merely a place of adventure and wonder, it was a part of her. It had taught her resilience, empathy, and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of all living things. And so, Emma's forest adventure had transformed her life. She carried the magic of the forest within her, a flame that could never be extinguished. As she grew older, she shared her stories, inspiring others to seek their own adventures and discover the enchantment that awaited them in the embrace of nature.